In 1961, India became the founding member of Non-Aligned Movement just to avoid its involvement in Cold War between US and USSR. Foreign policy is a matter of cost and benefits, not theology. Hello everyone, my lecture topic is Indo-US relations. Indo-US relations refers to the bilateral relations between the Republic of India and United States of America. Prominent leaders of our freedom movement had friendly relations with the United States of America and which continue till today. The downfall between the two democracies started when US made Pakistan center ally. And to counter this, we made strategic and military relations with the USSR much to the dislike of US. In 1961, India became the founding member of Non-Aligned Movement just to avoid its involvement in Cold War between US and USSR. But Nixon administration's support to Pakistan in 1965 Indo-Pak War affected the relations drastically, and this continued till the dissolution of Soviet Union in 1991. In 1990, India adopted the policy of unipolar world and started having close ties with the United States of America. Under the presidentship of George W. Bush and Barack Obama, United States showed its accommodation towards India's core interest. And this included and increased the bilateral trades between the two countries, including the global security, United Nations, US supports in United Nations, World Bank, IMF, its support in nuclear supplier group. The relations between the two democracies strengthened well at its peak under the presidentship of Trump. And this could be seen through the events like Howdy Modi program in 2019. Recently, we have seen that the US State Secretary Antony Blinken visited India and he had meetings with the three leaders, Prime Minister of India, Minister of External Affairs of India, and National Security Advisor. We had talks on top agendas like how to counter China, Taliban Afghanistan issue, and the vaccine production over COVID 19. We are the members of Quad countries, which include United States of America, India, Japan, and Australia. Concluding my lecturate, I will only say that United States is a country which is of highly importance for India nowadays, as it is a world superpower, and it will definitely help India for becoming a superpower. Thank you.